everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 13th to the 17th of October 2025 on Monday. Kumo receives a mysterious letter that he refuses to entertain. Mpho is furious about how everyone has turned their back on Bele, and Ayanda decides to do the right thing by Bele. Nokwazi continue to guilt Ntando, but all her friends encourage her to tell Ntando the truth about his father on Tuesday. Under pressure, Melo starts taking inappropriate content at a vigil. Everyone is still dealing with the grief, particularly Ayanda. Nontle struggles and flees to an unexpected source of comfort on Wednesday. Ayanda reveals Nontle's secret. Things get testy at the memorial service. Jack forces Fikile and Kumo's hand for an Iqiniso interview with V. Nokwazi and Melo Bekel to be Chief Mona. Ntando gets leads on his father's ID on Thursday. Jack milks the Iqiniso interview for all it's worth, but doesn't gain sympathy from the people who really matter. Fikile cannot help but be jealous of Lucy. Nontle claims not to be interested in a relationship, but her actions contradict her words. Vuyelwa is not forgiving of Sams and Nontle on Friday. The funeral day has arrived, but the body is missing. Ayanda resort to lying instead of cancelling. Kumo is tortured. Is it real or just a spirit? It's a dignified funeral until Mpho started throwing bombs, making all feel uncomfortable. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.